Good morning, this is Bob Mason from FX Empire and welcome to another daily crypto tech review of EOS, Ethereum and Ripple. It's the 3rd of June. Jumping straight in, let's have a look at EOS US dollar. After yesterday's pullback, it's been a mixed start to the day. We've seen EOS try to make a move out but hit reverse. We'll need to see EOS break through the pivot level at 272, however, to bring that first major resistance level at 285.38 into play. Support from the broader market is going to be needed, however, for EOS to break back through to 280 levels. Failure to break through that pivot level at 272, we could see EOS fall deeper into the red. Fall through Tuesday's low at sub 260 would bring the first major support level at 254.48 into play. Barring another crypto meltdown, however, we should see EOS to clear of sub 250. The second major support level sits at 241.34. Moving across to Ethereum dollar, we're going to need to see Ethereum break through the 240 pivot to bring that first major resistance level at 252.34 into play. Going to need broader market support, however, for Ethereum to break back through the 250 levels after yesterday's sell-off. Barring another crypto rally, first major resistance level on Tuesday's high at 253.60 should cap the upside. Failure to break back through the pivot should see Ethereum see a bigger fall on the day. Failure to break back through the 240 would bring the first major support level at 224.34 into play. We should see Ethereum avoid sub 220 levels, assuming there's not another crypto sell-off. Moving across to Ripple dollar, we're seeing a similar trend this morning. Attempt to break out failed, leading to a pullback into the red. We're going to need to see Ripple move through the pivot at 2050 to bring that first major resistance level at 21.33 into play. Broader market support is going to be needed, however, for Ripple to break back through to 21 levels after yesterday's sell-off. Barring another crypto rally that we saw in the early part of yesterday, we're going to see the first major resistance level in Tuesday's high, sitting at 21.52, cap the upside. Failure to break back through that pivot level at 2050 should see Ripple fall deeper into the red. Fall through the morning low would bring the sub 20s into play, and that brings the first major support level at 19.52 into play. Barring another crypto meltdown, however, we should see Ripple avoid sub 19s. Second major support level sits at 18.79. Were there any key drivers to lead to yesterday's choppy session and pullback? There was news that 1.4 billion cryptos have been stolen year to date. That probably put a few investors into a risk-off mood. And then across the more traditional asset classes, it's been risk-on, seeing equities and commodity currencies on the rally. So we might have seen some investors shift across, leading to that pullback on Tuesday.